Pagdating talaga sa unlimited yakiniku, I only have one go-to here sa Metro Manila. And as much as I wanted to gatekeep this, it's too good not to share for sure. Kasi every time I go to Japan, kailangan mag-only yakiniku kami. And I swear Kintan can hold its own. I mean, it's a popular yakiniku restaurant din kasi in Japan. And for me, this is the closest thing I have since hindi naman tayo regularly nakaka-visit ng Japan, diba? They have everything na here, even a buffet of your favorite Japanese dishes. And depende na rin sa set na kukunin nyo. But for us, the most sulit, and we go for the quality of meats kasi. So, ang kinuha namin is the Kintan set. The selection ranges from beef fatty cuts like the Diamond Karubi, the beef strip steak to name a few, and din as well like itong sukiyaki cut. Ang ganda ng quality, not the freshest, pero it's the selection talaga. Aside from the beef, they add seafood and pork and chicken. Not included in the unlimited, but definitely worth ordering. We love how the spicy cheese skillet goes well with everything. Taste is somehow similar to Cheese Whiz, definitely richer and meron siyang spicy kick. Well, for the meats, what we really enjoyed the most are their beef, specifically yung Diamond Karubi and the beef strips that are both quite tender. Sometimes though too indulgent since it's more on the fattier side. So best pa rin if you dip it in sa sauce nila or request for a wasabi. And of course, one of the best parts is you can help yourself sa buffet. Meron dyan takoyaki, gyudon, salad for starters, pwede din kayo mag-grill ng vegetables. Kaya nga nasabi ko, halos lahat nandito na sa Kintan. And if wala pang plano magpunta ng Japan anytime soon, nandito naman si Kintan for your yakiniku. Enjoy!